Are you ready to become a JavaScript master? Join us on an exciting journey of discovery with JavaScript Mastery. Build 10 real-world applications from scratch. In this comprehensive course, you'll not only learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also create practical projects that will sharpen your skills. Throughout this course, we'll dive into 10 fascinating projects that will challenge and inspire you. We'll start by building a dynamic to-do list application, where you can manage tasks effortlessly. Then we'll move on to notes-taking, allowing you to organize your thoughts seamlessly. Next, we'll explore the world of security with a password strength checker that evaluates the robustness of your passwords. And for those times when you need a secure password on the fly, we'll create a random password generator. As we progress, we'll tackle practical problems with an age calculator that accurately determines someone's age. And for those looking to generate random text, we'll build a random paragraph generator that will assist you creatively. Want to explore the musical side of JavaScript? We'll construct a digital piano application, allowing you to play melodies with just a few lines of code. And for a fun twist, we'll create an interactive experience with click-to-change BG color, where you can switch the background color at the click of a button. Additionally, we'll delve into the world of colors with a HEX Color Generator, giving you endless possibilities for vibrant palettes. And finally, we'll develop a Vowel Counter Application that counts the number of vowels in a given text. By the end of this course, you'll have gained the skills and confidence to create 10 real-world applications from scratch. Join us on this exciting journey and unlock the full potential of JavaScript. Enroll now and start your JavaScript mastery today.